Masonic Conspiracy Theories, a presentation by Aaron McMillan. Masonic conspiracy theories can be divided into three groups. Political, which is usually involving allegations of control of government, particularly in the US and the UK. Religious, which usually involve allegations of anti-Christian or satanic beliefs. And cultural, which is the idea that Freemasons have somehow infiltrated popular culture with an insidious agenda. John Robeson was one of the first Masonic conspiracy theorists. He saw the Masons as a libertine, anti-Christian movement given to the corruption of women, the cultivation of sensual pleasures, and the violation of property rights. He included all of this in his book Proof of Conspiracies Against All the Religions and Governments of Europe, carried on in secret meetings of Freemasons, Illuminati, and reading societies. He viewed the Masons as the most active leaders in the French Revolution. Abbé Barrel was a Jesuit who had been expelled from France. After being influenced by the work of Robeson, he wrote his own book in which he included the idea of a triple conspiracy: Christians, Freemasons, and the Illuminati, bent on destroying religion and order. In his book, Barrel claims that the French Revolution was the direct result of a deliberate conspiracy or plot to overthrow the throne and aristocratic society in Europe. The next important conspiracy theory in the history of Freemasonry is called the Taxil hoax. Leo Taxil wrote a book that reported that the Freemasons had engaged in conspiracies and satanic worship. He even included testimonies from a witness who claimed to have observed firsthand the satanic rituals. Taxil's claims were later found to be hoaxes when he admitted they were false, and he claimed that they were simply pranks on the Catholic Church and Freemasons. Richard Hofstadter is important in the study of conspiracy theories because he developed what's known as the paranoid style. Hofstadter said these writers illustrate the central preconception of the paranoid style, which is the existence of a vast, insidious, effective international conspiratorial network designed to perpetrating acts of the most fiendish character. The story of William Morgan is important in the history of conspiracy theories. Morgan was a Mason who had just reached the highest degree of Masonry when he announced that he was going to publish a book which exposed Masonic secrets. According to the story, he was then arrested on what are referred to as trumped-up charges. He disappeared soon after, and it is believed that he was killed by the Masons. This gave rise to the Anti-Masonic Party. It was founded after the death of William Morgan because many believed that the murder of Morgan was done by the Masons. The Anti-Masonic Party was the first third party in the U.S., and it was actually very widespread because it took on the shape and color of an anti-elitist group. The Judeo-Masonic conspiracy is an anti-Semitic, anti-Masonic conspiracy theory involved in the secret coalition of Jews and Masons. These theories were popular on the far right, particularly in France, Spain, Portugal, Italy, Germany, Russia, and Eastern Europe. These were so far-reaching that Hitler had Masonry outlawed out of the fear that Masons were just a front for an international Jewish conspiracy. In the end, the Masons will remain a fraternity that do community service and charity work.